Hello everybody, this is Jeanette, and this is what's going on in my neck of the woods up in the northeast part of the state. So, we are having a horrible snowstorm here. It is just ridiculous. And I had to bring my puppy out to use the bathroom. And this is what he does. He comes out, uses it, and he's at the door, ready to go back in. But this is it. What's going on here? Look at all this snow. I done shoveled once, and it was like inches again. But this is just horrible out here. And it's cold. It's covered. And this is how much snow we have right now. That is takes your breath away. This is how much snow has been piled up. You can't even see the back wheels almost on my truck. But this is it. No one should be out in this weather. You don't have to. This is it. This is what's going on in my neck of the woods. Stay warm, everybody, and have a safe and blessed day.